copying worksheets. Firstly, let's provide some context around how you might use this in a real-life environment. For example, you have the same data on multiple worksheets that represents a week or a month. Now, when I mention copy and pasting, I metaphorically see those perceiving themselves as a bit more advanced with Excel, with their eyes rolling, expecting a lecture reminiscent of a school teacher telling students to click here, then there, but never actually understanding what or why they are doing something. Reality is sometimes in Excel, we expect things to be complicated, not simple. I've lost track of the number of times I've been shown the long way of how somebody does something. I'm going to show them a couple of quick steps that shaves minutes or hours off the time it takes to do something. Whilst a few minutes may not seem like much, on one task repeatedly undertaken over the course of the year, this can add up to days of lost productivity that we assume is simply part of today's working life. Copying worksheets is one tip that can literally save you hours of time. Watch this quick video as I show you how to copy worksheets.
In this segment, we look at how you duplicate data on this worksheet onto another worksheet. So in this case, we have a quarter of information. Let's say the layout is exactly the same for the next quarter. Most people will do a copy and paste either by highlighting just that data or clicking here and then doing Control-C, clicking on a new worksheet and Control-V to paste it. This is a bit long-winded. If you take your mouse pointer down to the tab at the bottom that represents the worksheet you want to duplicate, hold down the Control key and hold the left mouse key down on your mouse. When you let go of your mouse and then let go of Control, it creates an exact duplicate of that data. You can then remove the information that you no longer require, and when you enter in your data relevant to this particular period, you can automatically have it update. So that's using Control and a drag with the left mouse key to duplicate the worksheet tab in Excel 2016.
Now you've watched the short video on how I copy worksheets, ask yourself what worksheets you create that could be copied or duplicated in this way to save you time, stress and frustration. Whilst it might seem simple, sometimes the simplest things can have the biggest impact on productivity and efficiency.